Bitcoin is close to hitting $118,000 after the Federal Reserve's recent rate cut, signaling cautious optimism among traders. While Bitcoin remains steady near its high, leading altcoins like Ethereum, Dogecoin, Solana, and XRP are rallying strongly, driven by the rate cut and renewed investor confidence. Ethereum, in particular, is approaching $4,800, with on-chain signals pointing to robust institutional support and low selling pressure, suggesting a potential move to new highs later this month. On the regulatory front, the U.S. SEC has approved new listing standards for crypto exchange-traded products, streamlining the approval process for spot crypto ETFs tied to commodities like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This move could accelerate the launch of ETFs focusing on major altcoins such as XRP and Litecoin, boosting wider access for institutional investors. Notably, the first U.S. XRP ETF is set to go live on September 18th. And CME Group will soon list options on XRP and Solana futures, reflecting surging institutional derivatives demand. Meanwhile, major industry developments include Coinbase's public push for federal crypto regulation reform, emphasizing the need for clear legislation to unify the fragmented U.S. regulatory landscape. Coinbase's CEO highlighted bipartisan support for the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act, which aims to clarify securities rules for digital assets and promote innovation. Additionally, Coinbase has joined efforts to develop cross-chain interoperability standards, aiming to simplify asset transfers across Layer 1 and Layer 2 networks. In the market's bigger picture, Bitcoin's proximity to resistance levels suggests it might push higher into Q4, supported by positive on-chain data and macroeconomic conditions. Ethereum is especially poised for a rally, with analysts predicting a potential surge toward $5,000, supported by rising whale activity, low exchange reserves, and bullish technical indicators. Other tokens like Bitcoin Cash are eyeing the $1,000 milestone, amid favorable sentiment following the Fed's decision. On the security side, Binance's founder Changpeng Zhao warned of sophisticated North Korean hacking groups targeting crypto firms through fake job applications and social engineering. In contrast, industry giants like BitGo and GD Culture are expanding assets and treasury holdings, with BitGo securing regulatory extensions across Europe and GD Culture adding thousands of Bitcoin to its reserve. Lastly, the broader picture shows a market slowly recovering from regulatory and macroeconomic uncertainties, with the potential for a significant uptrend in the coming months as infrastructure, regulation, and institutional interest align. Investors are closely watching support levels and on-chain metrics for clues on whether the current momentum can be sustained into year-end, possibly pushing Bitcoin and Ethereum to test new all-time highs amidst a renewed bullish environment.